Hi, first graders. It's Miss Rivers with today's science lesson, how to draw a food chain. Yesterday, you learned about animals and where they get their energy from. For today's activity, you must think of an animal that you know and create a food chain showing the flow of energy from the sun to the plant, also known as a producer, to the animal, which is known as an organism. Before we begin, please make sure you have a sheet of paper or a notebook, a pencil, and some crayons. You may watch the entire video and then draw the food chain, or you may pause the video after each step as you draw the food chain. Let's begin. Step 1. Draw a picture of the sun. Most food chains start with plants. However, plants use heat energy from the sun to make food. Step 2. Draw a plant or producer. Producers are things that can make their own food. Plants are producers. Here are some examples of plants. We have a blue flower, grass, a pear tree, some leaves on a branch, and lettuce. But remember, you can draw any plant that you want. Step 3, draw an animal. Think of an animal that eats plants. Here are examples of some animals that eat plants. We have a giraffe, a bear, a cow, and a grasshopper. Step 4, add another animal to your food chain. You can add as many as you would like. Think about an animal that eats the animal you drew in step 3. And notice after each part that you add to the chain, make sure you have arrows to show the flow of the energy. Finally, step 5, label your drawings. As you can see, this food chain doesn't have anything labeled. We have a picture of the sun, so we need the word sun. Then we have our plant, which is the corn. We have our animal, which is the grasshopper. And then we have another animal, which is the lizard. This is an example of what your food chain should look like. Not exactly like this one, boys and girls, because remember, you're choosing your own animal and creating your own food chain. When you are done, don't forget to send a picture of your work to your teacher. That's all for now. Until next time, bye.